Comparison operators. This includes equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. X is assigned or initialized with the value 10. This would give us if x equals 10, it would be true, otherwise the result would be false. Similarly, I have applied all these operators on x. Let's see the output. So x equals 10 is true, x not equals 10 is false, x less than 12, yes, this is true, x greater than 1, yes, this is also true, x greater than or equal to 10. So this has two conditions, greater than or it can be equal to. So equal to condition is satisfied here, hence we see the output true. X less than or equal to 2. X is not less than 2 because the value is 10. X is not equal to 2. So the value is false.